Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a great day. I'm just here real quick to do a walkthrough of these fun journals I made using Joanne's Halloween paper collection called Monster Movie. It is super cute. I really like the characters, the colors. It's all kind of retro-y looking. And I liked the designs on some of the pages. Like this was a big haunted house. I really liked it. Actually have the collection here. Let me see. Here we go. So it's this one right here, and it was not on sale, but I was able to use my 50% off coupon, so I was able to grab it for like $7, I believe it was. I'm sure it'll go on sale, but there wasn't, I think there was only like this one, the pack that I got, and one other one, so had to grab it. Anyways, I had this idea to make these fun little books for some boo kits that I'm going to be giving to some family for them to work on in October. And I used 3 of the sheets and I cut them down to 8 by 11. And then I scored at to get them down to this size, I scored at the 5.5 or 5.5 and 6 inch mark along the 11 inch side. So they're 8 inches going down like this. I followed a tutorial about maybe 2 years ago and I can't find it anymore. It was taken down, I think, because I know I would have saved it. But I'm going to search for it and see if I can link it. But going back through all your 2 YouTube videos is a little bit hard. Anyways, let me walk through these fun little journals. Very simple. It didn't, like I said, it used 3 sheets. And I created some little pockets. I ended up using more of the paper, obviously, because I added all kinds of extra stuff. But some of the extra pieces that are left over I was able to use. And then there's a 12 by 12 sheet that has all these fun designs that are like journaling cards, and I ended up using them to create these tug spots, and just added cardstock and embellished it so that they could journal or put pictures when they have them or when they get them. And then I made a little fun little card that's got a little tuck spot, and you can put more stuff in here obviously. And I put a little kind of like a belly band, but so that they could use this little card there like that. And then I used paper sacks and created little tags so that you could journal or put pictures and or put little mementos in there too for October, because I don't know what people will be doing, whether they'll stay home or go out. And I made another little journaling tuck spot here, and I thought it'd be perfect to put a cute little pull-out folder. And then this, I added an extra little sheet here after I used some zigzag, can't remember what the name of it is, but they're like big sturdy, oh, I only use for paper, and so they're, you know, the zigzag shape, and I use that on my paper and nothing else. But I added this little tuck spot here, and I used again some of the 12 by 12 little journaling card sheet that I cut up, and then some of the extra paper I just cut it up, and you can stick like a little picture on there, or maybe get a white piece of paper or journal something and then put the picture on the back. A lot of little different things that you can do, obviously. And another little tuck spot. I really love this paper. It is so cute. I'm keeping one for myself. It comes with 2. The paper pad has 2 of each, so it was fun to use. And then again, some more cardstock with fun little tags in here. I did some sewing with some Halloween fabric I had, and then just did another little tuck spot or little foot pocket there, and journaling and photos can go there. You could easily journal here or add more stickers, and that's it. I'm thinking of adding like a little band to go around this way, but we'll see. And then the second one that I made was this one, and this one I decided to add a belly band. I didn't think about it on the other one, but since it's got the haunted house on it, I didn't want to cover up anything here, and I really like the look of the house. I think it's really cute as a cover. Anywho, this one I added just a fun little tab with a cutout again. Used a lot of the scrap paper, and I really like this paper. Like, it's got like a little bit of a glaze to it, so it's like shiny. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to be in the light here, but it's the same layout, and I used just random papers that I had and added cute little pieces to it, some cardstock. I might add some fabric there since I did it to the other one as well. And I did use a trim, paper border trimmer for that. And some of the paper, just, it's double-sided, so it's great. Multiple uses. Again, little paper sack with some fun tags that I use the paper. It's really cute designs. Kind of reminds me of like a 70s theme or something. And then I did similar to the previous journal, just cute little cutouts, and the bright colors are so neat. And then I did the same thing, added the little tags there. And this one, I added eyes here just because I really like this design. And again, they're glazed. They're so cool. Then a little tuck spot again. I really like this pumpkin paper. Then I made a little pocket on this one. It reminds me of a journaling card, the pocket letter journaling cards, and I just made it a little bit larger since I had that scrap of paper. That would be cute. And then another pull-out tuck spot here, the pocket in the back, and that's it. Super easy to make, and hopefully I can find that video and share it with you guys, because these books are fun to make and gift to, you know, anyone really, and journal along the month, or you know, just put in your October pictures in there. So I hope you guys feel inspired, and thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.